how did the Anchor Point come to be?
I'm Jamie from JSpec Engineering. We're a small engineering shop out of South Africa. We were looking for a cost-effective solution for quick change pallet systems and didn't find anything that really met our requirements for both performance and cost. We developed the Anchor Point to be a low-cost base system with an ultra-low cost per pallet, allowing us to treat the pallets almost as if they were soft jaws and disposable. We built the first and second version of the Anchor Points just over a year ago. The second version remained in our machine up until very recently when we replaced it with one of the production versions to enable us to make the production batch that'll be coming out at the end of April 2025. We're now scaling up the production of the Anchor Point for our second batch. You can find more information about that in the link below to the pre-order, which will book you a spot in line for one of the second batch, or you can sign up to our newsletter where you can get more information as information is available. The newsletter guys are the first to hear about any updates and when the units are available.